But at the same time, spreading the sports. Mahirap yun. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na at least nagawa kong i-spread yung sports sa palarong pambansa this year. And unfortunately, lumaki ako. Hindi ako naging masyadong malakas and end up, nahirapan ako mag-cut ng weight for 58. And then, nahirapan din ako sa training.
And for today, parang 1 kilo pa, diba? Parang you were at 59.
Yes,
And then,
1 kilo
how did that
pa.
affect you performance-wise? Parang sabi nila ng hirap kasi gusto mo na uminom, tapos nangihina ka.
Yes, nanghihina ako kanina. Konting nanghihina. Pero kaya naman, nakapag-perform naman. Kaya lang, for how many years din akong hindi naglaro. So, hindi ako sanay sa ganitong laro ulit. So, pagbalik sa training, yung focus, nahirapan ako. And believing in myself, nahirapan ako. So, sabi ko nga na I have to enjoy this moment.
Outside of yourself, where did you draw strength from? Mga...
Siguro, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga taong naniniwala pa rin sa akin. Pushing me. Umiyak ako.
Okay lang. It's okay. It's okay.
At the end of the day, tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, bakit? It's for the Philippines. It's for the Filipino athletes. It's for Philippine weightlifting. And I hope na-inspire ko mga bata to do their best.
Parting words to all the aspiring weightlifters. You've inspired so many, Miss Heidi. I hope you know that. I'm sure you know that.
Yeah.
Sobrang daming Jody. Nandyan siya.
Yan.
Kahapon, muntik pa siya mag-bronze. You had the same story, diba? 16 years old ka nung...
15.
15?
Yes.
Nung una mo nakuha yung bronze.
Ay, hindi. 17.
Muntik niya ka makuha kahapon.
16 pa.
16? Ano yun eh? 2007 yun eh.
2007, yes.
Dito, sa Nakhon Ratchasima.
Yes. Lahat na lang Thailand.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
so muntik pa niya and she's possibly following your footsteps. What can you say to them and to the ones who will want to do the same?
Gusto ko lang sabihin na kayo na ang next na magdadala ng bandila ng Pilipinas. So, do your best. And importante is, you have to dream. Hindi pwedeng, eto lang, you have to dream Olympic gold. And gusto kong sabihin na kaya nyo yan. And I believe in you. And naniniwala ko na malakas kayo dahil Pilipino kayo. Kailangan lang talaga training, disiplina, at surround yourself with the coaches na tutulungan kayo.